AI is annoying, but you already know what to think of it. I'll show you how to get them away from your searches. Let's assume you wanna see Terziak. First, no. Let's assume you wanna see Nano from Nitijo. Oh nice, but then AI. Add a minus symbol, type site, add a colon, the two dot symbol, and then the website name. In this case, it's the one on the screen. We're getting there, but there are multiple AI websites. Make sure to copy the URL under the image, as the URL on the image profile just brings this huge Google URL. Trim the rest, just leave the domain. Speaking of domains, you can also include subdomains. Want to exclude the Nichijou fandom results? Done. Want to exclude all fandom results? Done. And that's it. Check the Slide Saying Lady channel for animations and meme content. Check Slide Saying Word for rambles and Slide Saying Moments for gaming. Let's do the best for us. Bye.